Welcome to Milk Masters on the Move. I'm Chef Matt. We're taking Milk Masters on the road to show you just how easy and delicious it is to cook with dairy literally anywhere. And in our case, outdoors at the cottage. This afternoon, I'm gonna make an incredible lunch of chicken cutlet sandwich with creamy rosé sauce and fresh mozzarella for myself and Chef Dwight. Chef Dwight made breakfast. I'm on lunch duty. He's going for a hike, so I gotta have everything cooked by the time he gets back. Gotta get to it.
Chef!
Hey, my man, how are you?
How goes it?
Good, good, good. Just getting lunch ready for you. Got a little chicken parm sandwich, a little fresh Ontario mozzarella cheese, and a beautiful creamy rosé sauce.
Oh my gosh, that sounds delicious. Well, I'm gonna get out of your hair. I'm going for a hike. I hope it's ready when I get back.
Sounds good, buddy. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some fresh, creamy, local butter in that hot pan. People ask me all the time, like, how much butter you add. It's kind of hard to say because more is always better. Yeah, like here I am on a fire pit cooking, but you can easily do this inside, obviously on a stove. So you gotta get your onions, gotta get your garlic cooking, a little bit of chilies, because I like spice. Now a little bit of tomato passata, which is just strained tomatoes, some heavy cream. This is where that creamy, velvety texture just drapes that fried chicken cutlet. It's really a sandwich of contrasting textures and flavors. I don't know where Dwight is. I mean, like, I was making tablescapes. This guy's going for hikes. Dwight! Dwight! He's gone.
I don't know, man. I like this hike, but I'm starting to smell the food, and I'm hungry. So I'm gonna have to head back soon.
All right, so you can't have a chicken parm sandwich without chicken, obviously. I'll let you in on my world is we're gonna let it soak in 2% milk. And the reason why we're gonna do that is we're adding moisture and fat into the chicken. I'm using 2% milk. You can use skim milk, you can use buttermilk, any Ontario local fresh dairy in your fridge, it'll work great. Okay. So while this marinates, let's get our potatoes and our rapini going. Now again, if you were inside and you didn't have a grill indoors, you could just put it right in a pan with a little bit of oil and garlic. So now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna blanch our potatoes for the potato salad. Yeah, I'm starting to wonder where Dwight is. He's been gone for quite some time, you know? I think he's, I don't think he's coming back.
I am definitely headed back. I'm done this hike. I'm hungry. Let's go see what Chef Matt's been up to.
We're gonna make that dressing for the potato salad and just let that sit. I'm just gonna take a bunch of fresh basil, garlic, a little bit of fresh lemon gonna go in there now. Okay, but now is the most important part of the potato salad dressing, the sour cream. I get a little bit of heavy cooking cream. I mean, literally, you cannot make this dish without dairy. Otherwise, it's just potatoes. Okay, so now we're gonna fry off our potatoes. So we're just gonna be frying them to the point where they're crispy. We're gonna put it into a bowl with a little bit of salt. Now we're gonna come back to that chicken breast that's been marinating in 2% milk. The chicken is gonna go from milk to flour, to egg, to breadcrumb, to hot oil, to sauce, to cheese, to goodness.
Okay, Chef, what do we have here?
Is.
Oh my gosh.
Well, I hope you worked up an appetite. Want to do me a favor? We have
Yes.
some fresh mozzarella there.
Let's give it a slice, yeah?
Actually, don't even slice it. Break it up with your hands if you don't mind. Just give it a little splash of heavy cream if that's okay with you.
Absolutely.
Awesome, thanks, buddy. So if you want to now scoop some of that fresh mozzarella there right on top of the chicken.
Oh, let's do that, yeah. I'm coming in hot.
While we wait, let's dress the potato salad.
Let's do it.
Oh yeah, it's so creamy, right?
Oh my
so
gosh.
saucy, so creamy. Got a little rapini on that, right?
Dang, that looks good. Oh wow, this is a sandwich.
Right, and then also the potato salad. Can't forget.
We're not done with just the sandwich.
Yeah, so you've got the, you know, the crispy chicken, you have that beautiful creamy rosé sauce, that fresh mozzarella that you added some more Ontario heavy cream. Then there's that chili rapini on top. So you got bitterness, you got crispiness, you got creaminess, toasted in a bun. Can't go wrong.
Thank you.
You're welcome, man.
Let's do this.
Not fair. Not fair.
How is that chicken so juicy? What's going on there?
It was the marinating of them. Yeah, like that's a money chicken breast right there.
Oh my gosh. And I'm sorry, but I need to go directly into this.
Oh, it's delicious. Honestly, super easy to make. Anyone can do it. Just visit milk.org, full recipe, sandwich, and the potato salad all there.
Damn.
Right?
Respect.
Respect.